Before production begins, every truck is weighed and inspected to measure the amount and quality of sugarcane entering the factory. After inspection, the sugarcane is unloaded into the factory, where the transformation from raw plant material into pure sugar begins. From the receiving yard, the sugarcane begins its first step inside the factory, moving toward powerful cleaning systems that remove unwanted material. Before extracting the sweet juice, every sugarcane stalk is cleaned to remove soil, leaves, and impurities collected during harvesting. After washing, the sugarcane passes through a leveler that organizes the stalks evenly, preparing them for powerful shredding machines. After shredding, the sugarcane fibers enter the heart of the factory, a powerful crushing system designed to extract the maximum amount of juice. Inside these giant mills, thousands of kilograms of pressure squeeze the shredded cane, releasing the sweet juice hidden inside every fiber. The cane passes through several crushing stages, where each powerful roller removes more juice until almost all of the sweetness is recovered. To recover the last remaining sweetness, warm water is added during crushing, helping extract more than 95% of the juice from the cane. The leftover fiber is not wasted. This bagasse becomes fuel for powerful boilers, helping the factory produce its own steam and electricity. Using bagasse as fuel, the factory produces its own energy, turning sugarcane waste into steam and electricity for the entire production process. After extraction, the raw juice enters purification, where unwanted impurities are removed before it can become clean sugar. To clean the raw juice, milk of lime is added to balance acidity and help unwanted impurities separate from the valuable sugar solution. Maintain the temperature at 60 degrees Celsius.
Roger that. Monitoring the flow rate now.
The separated impurities are collected as press mud, a useful byproduct often returned to farms as natural fertilizer.
After purification, the clean juice still contains a large amount of water, so it moves to the evaporation stage, where the concentration process begins. The purified juice now enters powerful evaporators, where advanced vacuum technology removes water and concentrates the sugar solution. Moving through several evaporation stages, the juice gradually loses water and becomes a thick, concentrated sugar syrup. After removing most of the water, the thin juice has transformed into a thick golden syrup, ready for the next step, creating sugar crystals.
The concentrated syrup now enters the crystallization section, where controlled conditions transform dissolved sugar into solid crystal form.
Inside these vacuum pans, tiny sugar crystals act as seeds, allowing millions of new crystals to grow throughout the concentrated syrup.
At this stage, the syrup becomes massacrete, a thick mixture containing newly formed sugar crystals surrounded by dark molasses.
The crystal-filled massacrete now moves to the centrifuge section, where powerful spinning machines will separate pure sugar crystals from molasses. Inside these powerful centrifuges, high-speed spinning separates the dark molasses from the valuable white sugar crystals. After separation, the sugar crystals receive a final wash to remove remaining molasses and improve their purity and brightness. Before packaging, the sugar passes through precision screens that separate crystal sizes and ensure consistent quality in every batch. The purified sugar crystals are carefully dried to remove moisture, creating stable, free-flowing sugar ready for the final finishing stages. After passing quality checks, the finished sugar enters the final stage of production police, a fully automated packaging system designed for speed and precision. Before leaving the factory, every package passes final inspection. Then robotic systems prepare thousands of bags for shipment. The journey does not end at the factory. Through a massive distribution network, packaged sugar travels thousands of kilometers to reach stores and homes. A simple sweetness, connecting the massive scale of industry to the intimate moments we cherish every day.